Hi, and welcome to another video update from the Fire Brigade Union. Once again, unique circumstances caused by the COVID-19 lockdown. This time we're joined by two groups of people. First of all, General Secretary Matt Wrack, and also the Black Watch from Cambridge Fire Station, who've got some questions for the General Secretary.
Obviously it's probably well over a week now since the government announced that firefighters would be part of the first people to get tested for COVID-19. When are we likely to see this at a ground level? And could you tell me what type of tests we will be having?
Okay, so the testing is the testing that just checks whether the virus is present currently. So it's not it identifies people who are currently have the virus. I think it's called antigen testing. And then obviously we know there's research going on to develop wider tests as to whether people have had the virus in the past, but that's not currently widely available. And in terms of testing of firefighters and others, I think testing is, again, one of the huge public debates about the level of testing. We know the government has pledged to get 100,000 tests a day delivered by the end of the month. And currently it doesn't look as though that is going to be achieved. I hope it is, because testing should be a central part of the strategy. I think if you first of all, to deal with the virus generally, it seems to us that a logical approach is to test as many people as possible. To trace back where the virus has spread to. But I think for workers who are asked to carry on working, it's also central there, because if you've got a key worker strategy, and key workers are the NHS, ourselves, local governments, some people in education, but also those working in shops or delivery services and so on, then if you are asking people to go into work, so effectively your employer is saying to you, you need to carry on coming to work, which is clearly putting you at additional risk in reality, and therefore testing should be part of that strategy, because it means that you would be able to identify firefighters who did have the virus, or people who were self-isolating but didn't have the virus could return to work, and that protects the workforce. It also protects people we're engaging with in the community. We're going out on calls, so it's absolutely essential. We know there are some firefighters who've been tested. I think the first ones seem to have been tested in Northern Ireland, then Scotland, and there's some in Wales. I've not heard reports yet that we've had many done in England as yet. Hopefully that will start to be rolled out. And again, that's something I think our union reps at brigade level need to be asking of brigade managements as when is the testing going to be coming to Cambridgeshire, for example, in your own case.
Thanks.